Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wonder what the secret asterisk is to keeping your electric vehicle purring like a kitten, even after years on the road? Because let me tell you, it's not just about plugging it in. Today, we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of EV maintenance, busting some myths, and uncovering those little-known tips that will keep your electric car running smoothly for years to come. Now, before we get started, I want to be completely transparent. While I've done extensive research for this video, pulling information from various sources, including government reports and even NASA work on electric motors, some of the information on specific EV maintenance practices is more general, focusing on the overall health of the vehicle rather than highly specialized, recent data. Think of it like this: we're focusing on the fundamental principles that apply to any car, electric or not, and then adding the EV-specific twists. First things first, let's talk tires. This might seem obvious, but properly inflated tires are crucial for any vehicle, especially EVs. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, which directly impacts your range and efficiency. And nobody wants a shorter range, am I right? Check your tire pressure regularly. The recommended pressure is usually found on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. Next up, battery health. This is where things get interesting for EVs. While recent data on specific battery maintenance techniques isn't readily available in a consolidated form, we do know that extreme temperatures, both hot and cold, can negatively impact battery performance and lifespan. Try to park in shaded areas during hot weather and consider using a battery warmer in extremely cold climates. This is where understanding your vehicle's manual comes in. Manufacturers often offer specific recommendations for optimal battery care. Now, you might be wondering about charging habits. Should you always charge to 100%? The short answer is usually not. Frequently charging to 100% can put unnecessary stress on your battery over time. Aim for an 80% charge for daily use. Top it off to 100% only when you need the extra range for a long trip. Think of it like your phone battery. Constantly charging it to 100% shortens its lifespan. Regular maintenance is also key. While EVs have fewer moving parts than gasoline cars, they still require routine checks. This includes things like brake inspections, fluid checks, coolant, etc., and tire rotations. Don't skip these. Regular maintenance isn't just about preventing breakdowns, it's about maximizing your vehicle's lifespan and performance. Speaking of performance, remember that NASA is pushing the boundaries of electric motor technology, working on motors that are smaller, more powerful, and incredibly efficient. This shows the direction of innovation, hinting at even better performance and efficiency in future EVs. While we can't directly apply NASA cutting-edge research to our current cars, it's still exciting to see the advancements being made. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the political landscape surrounding EVs. We've seen recent legislative battles, like the Congressional Review Act resolutions aiming to repeal certain EV mandates. These debates highlight the ongoing discussions around the future of transportation and the role of EVs in a cleaner energy future. While I can't offer specific predictions, it's clear that the EV landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed about relevant legislation is important for every EV owner. Remember that California, for example, has made significant strides in clean energy, boasting periods where the state ran entirely on clean electricity. This showcases the potential of a future powered by renewable energy and the important role EVs play in this transition. So, to summarize, keeping your electric vehicle running smoothly involves a multi-pronged approach: proper tire inflation, mindful charging habits, regular maintenance, and staying informed about advancements in the field. It's about treating your EV with the care and attention it deserves, just like any other valuable investment. Now, before you go, I want to ask you to do something for me. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a PayPal link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. So, what are your biggest concerns when it comes to EV maintenance? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy driving!